Hey guys, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great and safe at your home. So welcome to our new video. So guys, today's video is about something very different and unique concept of growing vegetables at your home. So I just tried my hands on growing few vegetables which are also famously called as microgreens. These microgreens are very high in nutrients and packed with minerals, and they are very healthy option when it comes to adding in salads or sandwiches and even sometimes dips and chutneys. So not wasting too much of time, let's start the video. So in this video I will be showing you how easy it is to grow garlic leaves and wheatgrass, which are amazing and nutrient microgreens and are a great healthy option for your diet. So to start with the procedure, first take a good quality soil. Do remember that to grow microgreens you require 3 to 4 inches of deep pot. But if you do not have pot, you can try on these takeaway boxes, and you have to do a hole at the base of these boxes for an easy drainage. To cover the holes in the pot and for an easy drainage, you can use any small piece of a broken pottery or a piece of a gravel. After covering the hole, start adding soil to the pot. While filling the soil in the pot, do not forget to leave some space for watering. After filling soil in the pot, take some wheat and spread it on the surface of the soil. Also remember that you don't have to press the wheat too hard in the soil. All you have to do is just mix the wheat in the soil, or just take a layer of soil and put it above the wheat. After this procedure, all you have to do is watering. Do not overwater it, but do not underwater also. You just have to spray it evenly on the surface of the soil. Always remember that wheatgrass is very easy and fast to grow. So this is day 1 of wheatgrass, and it has already started germinating from soil, and by day 3 it catches up the height beautifully, and within a week it is all ready to harvest. So within a week you will get this healthy wheatgrass, and it is very beneficial for people who have skin issues, hair issues and diabetes. Whenever you see such kind of 2 leaves coming from one joint, that is the time you have to harvest the wheatgrass and consume it in a form of tonic. So the second microgreen on my list is garlic, which is very easy, simple and reasonable to grow. You don't have to buy any kind of seeds or anything special. All you need is few garlic and a soil. So the procedure is same, filling a soil in a pot and fill it properly, leave some space for watering. After putting soil in the box, all you have to do is take few garlic, take the tip of the garlic and put it in the soil this way. Also, one pro tip, while you are potting garlic, always try to take big size garlic, because it will be easy to root and grow faster. After potting garlic, all you have to do is watering. Now you have to be very careful with the watering pattern. Do not overwater it, or else it will start getting fungus. Also, you have to keep all these microgreens in a bright lit area. And this is how by day 4 garlic starts germinating from the soil beautifully. And from day 4 to day 15, this is how garlic turns out to be. Completely mature, green, and it looks so tasty and yummy. And after 15 to 16 days, garlic is ready to harvest. Start harvesting it. Cut the garlic leaves, and you can use it in form of, in chutneys or dips or salad. In my recent study and research, I got to know that these microgreens are sold at very expensive prices at online vegetable market. Now, ideally, these microgreens are packed with nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, and they can be very easily grown at your home. So here in this video, I will be showing you how easy and simple it is to grow fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds in form of healthy microgreens. These microgreens are a great option for your salad. Also, it can be eaten raw. So to grow these healthy microgreens, the method is very simple. You just need 3 to 4 inches of deep pot. Add gravels to the pot and cover the hole. Do not forget to do the hole at the bottom and start adding the soil to the pot. So here I have taken 2 pots. One is for fenugreek seeds and another is for mustard seeds. Also for soil, I am using normal garden soil. You can also use coco pit, but garden soil is safer. Here first I am growing mustard seed. The transparent pot is for mustard seeds, and this is how you have to spread the seeds. After spreading mustard, add thin layer of soil to the surface and keep it in a bright light area. Do not overwater it, but see to it that you do not keep it too dry for longer time. And after 3 days, this is how mustard seeds have started germinating into healthy microgreen. Now this is how mustard looks at the initial stage of germination. And within a week, these mustard seeds have converted into healthy microgreens and they are ready to harvest. After a certain time, the microgreens stop growing, and that is the time when you have to harvest. Now here I will be harvesting microgreens of mustard seeds and will be using it in my quinoa salad. After growing mustard seed as healthy microgreen, now it's time to grow fenugreek. Now we have already taken soil in the pot, normal garden soil. Now this is how you have to spread fenugreek seed in soil. After spreading fenugreek, take thin layer of soil and cover the surface. Remember that while you are germinating fenugreek seeds or any seed, do not try to press it too hard inside the soil or else it will not germinate. So just like mustard seeds, even fenugreek seeds started germinating, and this is day 3. So from day 3 to day 5, this is how fenugreek seeds have performed beautifully. They are growing very well. And I have also grown fenugreek seed in a plastic container, and even that is doing great. And guys, this is day 8 where fenugreek seeds have properly germinated and all the leaves have opened up, and this looks beautiful. Simultaneously, the plastic container fenugreek seed is still trying to open up completely. Ideally, when the leaves are completely open, do not rush to harvest it. Wait for some more days, maybe some more 2 days, and then harvest it. So here by day 10, leaves are completely mature, full grown, and it's time to harvest. So here after 10 days, start harvesting the leaves. Be very careful while harvesting. Do not cut from the root, just cut the top of the leaves. And this is how fenugreek microgreens look like. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also do give in your feedback in the comment section. This is Vibha signing off.